Determiners. Today's topic is determiners. What is determiners? Determiners are words used to identify or specify a noun in some way. What is? To identify or specify a noun in some way. Your books. Books is what? Noun. Your is what? Determiner. This poem. This is what? This is pointing out. The highest peak. The is what? Article. Now some of the examples are there. Your books, this poem, the highest peak. Next condition. Determiners and adjectives. Determiners and adjectives. What is an adjective? Adjective describes a noun. It tells us about a noun. Determiners point it out. That is it pointing. Example is given, tall tree. Tree is what? Tall. Describes the tree. That is why it is an adjective. This tree. This is what? Pointing out. That is why it is a determiner. Now the second condition. Adjectives can change their form. Means it can change. But determiners retain the same. It remains the same. Bright, brighter, brightest. Light, lighter, lightest. Determiners are, some of the determiners are your, every, much. They remains the same. Okay. Third condition. An adjective can be placed before or after a noun. What is the condition is that it is placed before or after a noun. Like examples are sweet mangoes. The mangoes are sweet. Means mangoes are what? Noun. Then determiners can be placed only before a noun. What is the condition is there? It is placed only before a noun. The, some, which mangoes, some mangoes, like that. Now the next is the kinds of determiners. There are different kinds of determiners are there. One by one we will read that. First one is articles. Already you have read the articles in this previous class. Yes or no? Okay. First one is a and the. These are the articles are there. A and an are indefinite article. The is an definite article. A and an is used for the countable nouns. A is used before a consonant sound. Example is given, a shop. Many more examples you can give. An is used before a vowel. When we are using an before a vowel. Then which are the vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. An is, example is an apple. Then the next one is the. When we are using the before the rivers, holy books, the river like Ganga, then holy books, the Bible, like this. The with the before the superlative degree. Next comes the possessive determiners. What is the meaning of possessive? Possessive means which belongs to you. The which possess the nouns. Example is my book. This is my book. My is not means it belongs to the person. Your house. Next is demonstrative. Demonstrative means pointing out, demonstrating something. Used to point out person or object. Example is given. These chocolates are for you. For you student. This is what? This is an demonstrative. Next example is that house. That is what? Demonstrative. Belongs to my uncle. Next one is the distributive determiner. Which are the distributive determiners? Either, neither, each, every, like this. Then the example is when we use each and every. Each is used for one by one, only for one thing. That time, person or thing, that time we are using each. Every is used for a group. that is every student. Next comes the determiner of number or quantity. Quantity means amount. Which are the determiners which are being used here? Many, some, any, much, little, several, a lot of, such as there are many other also is been there. Now the sum, when we use sum is used in affirmative sentence, positive sentence. Example is given, I need some paper to write on. Some is what? Some paper. Some is what? Determiner. Next is the any. When we use any is used for the negative sentence. We did not find any suitable candidates. Any suitable. That is why it is any is being used here. Last is the interrogative determiners. What are the interrogative determiners are there? Asking a question. What, which, whose book is this, whose bat is this? These are the some of the determiners we have read in this class. Which are the determiners are there? First one is article, then is the possessive, then demonstrative, then distributive, number, quantity, and interrogative. These are some of the determiners today we have read. Now the exercises are given in your book. Go through that, try to solve that. Then I am giving some exercises for your homework in the portal. You try that, and one link also I am providing to you. You see that link also. Thank you, student.